young nature enthusiasts. Welcome to our adventure, where we'll meet the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. Get ready to be amazed by the colors and charm of these wonderful feathered friends. Let's go! Top 10 most colorful birds in the world. Peacock. Starting off our list at number 1 is the peacock. Look at those stunning feathers with eyes like jewels. The peacock loves to dance and show off its fantastic tail like a real-life rainbow. Golden pheasant. Soaring on to our list at number 2 is the golden pheasant. This bird from China is a walking work of art with its dazzling colors. It's like a fancy painter decided to create a masterpiece on feathers. Rainbow Lkey. At number 3, we have the rainbow Lkey. This parrot is a living rainbow, with feathers in every color you can imagine. It's like a tiny, feathery artist painted its wings with joy. Wilson's Bird of Paradise. Number 4 brings us the Wilson's Bird of Paradise. Found in Indonesia, this little bird is like a living jewel with its vibrant colors and fancy dance moves. The size of a male Wilson's Bird of Paradise is roughly equivalent to that of a large kiwi fruit, or a bit smaller than an average smartphone. Northern Cardinal. Sailing in at number 5 is the Northern Cardinal. The male cardinal wears a bright red suit that makes it stand out like a little red gem in the trees. What a stylish bird! Bee-eater. Buzzing in at number 6 is the bee-eater. This bird is like a living rainbow with its bright colors. It's called a bee-eater because it loves to catch and munch on buzzing insects. Blue jay. At number 7, we have the blue jay. With its bright blue feathers, the blue jay is like a tiny piece of the sky that decided to come down and play in the trees. Mandarin Duck. Strutting onto our list at number 8 is the Mandarin Duck. The male Mandarin Duck is a watercolor dream, with its elaborate and colorful plumage. It's like a little floating palette of beauty. Atlantic Puffin. Flying in at number 9 is the Atlantic Puffin. This little bird has a beak that looks like it's painted with all the colors of the ocean. Puffins are like the clowns of the sea, waddling and diving with joy. Scarlet Macaw. And now, its feathers are like a fiery rainbow for the grand finale. Scarlet macaws are not just colorful, they're also great chatterboxes in the rainforest. Wow, what an incredible journey through the world of beautiful birds in the top 10 most colorful birds. Nature is full of wonders, and these birds sure know how to color our world with their beauty. What kind of bird do you like best? Share that excitement with your friends and parents, kids. For more fantastic adventures and incredible creatures, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Bye bye.